Okay, so today I'm just shopping, stocking up for the hurricane that is approaching. To prepare, to ensure that you have everything in order. You don't want to be stuck in the store but you don't have anything. I need to prepare. Even if it doesn't come, then my house is still stocked with food. So that is on them if they don't want to prepare. I am preparing.
The hurricane is near and they asked us to take it serious. So I am doing a little bit of stocking up. Not too much. Maybe Thursday I come again. But for now, I just wanted to get water, hand towels, tissue, enough meat, as you can see. Just every little thing to make sure that I have something in my house in case it do come. That's the problem with we Jamaican. That's why when I'm going to go to Biblical, they didn't believe Noah when he was building his ark. And the flood did came and kill everybody. So I want to be prepared.
I don't care if they say it's not coming. I just say that it's coming. I want to be prepared. I'm not trying to find out. So I'm going to prepare myself amply. So yeah.
I'm just doing some, preparedness management or plan. I'm, shopping for the hurricane. Hopefully it doesn't hit Jamaica, but you have to be prepared. So yeah. Remember, at the end of the day, it's a guess because we cannot really say for sure because look at Barbados, for example. Barbados was supposed to get a direct hit and it didn't. So, I mean, same thing can happen for Jamaica, but it's better to be prepared than sorry.